The problem why our images are not showing is because in my images I added this squiggly here, and it interprets it literally, so it basically tries to use this complete path. So what we have to do is simply remove these from our paths to the images and the thumbnails. So let's go to SQL Server Explorer, right click the candies and view data. You could of course run a script, but since we only have like 15 records, I'm gonna do it manually. And for you, I will have the correct script to download, so you won't have to do any fixing at all. But if this happens to you, you can literally just go here, since these are just dummy data, and you can enter them manually. Of course, I didn't want to enter them manually in the seeding because we wanted to create the connection between the candy and the categories. But now I can edit them freely. So I'll simply remove those squiggly lines from each of those image paths. So I removed them and I updated my script as well. So now you will have a correct script. But with my table ready, let's run it again and see if it works. And here is our page. We have 15 candies, 3 for each category. You can see the prices, the partial description because this is just a thumbnail, but we will have the full description in a details page for each of the candy, and the images are showing correctly. So now we have a working application that is connected to the database and is pulling data from the database. So we are now ready to start using this and start modifying the data and creating more pages for our application.